Okay, I am making my peach margarita, which I'm actually blending peach margarita and peach bellini from Nature's Garden. I was just going to do a 2-color gradient, and then at the last minute when I was grabbing my colors, I decided that I wanted to make it more work for myself and make a 3-color gradient. So that's what I'm doing. Because I have all of my measurements out set up for a 5-pound, I'm basically going to pour the 5-pound, then go back, repeat, and do it again. That way, 1, I don't have to do math, and 2, I don't have to worry about splitting this equally if I were to double this. I'll just do one, pour it, do another, pour it, and I don't have to worry. So I'm just going to kind of go through pouring all these layers, speed it up. I am not going to talk because this is going to take a little bit of a while to do all of these layers. But I do have a video on how to create gradients, a 3-color gradient. So if you are interested, I will link that below so you can check it out as well. So I kind of screwed up when pouring the layers, the gradient. We'll see if I was able to hide it. I think I might have been. However, if you can see this, the colors look like they all kind of faded. So I know the fragrance is supposed to turn it a little beige, but with the orange and yellows, it really shouldn't have been an issue. So I'm curious to see what the inside looks like when I cut it. Maybe it won't be as bad as it looks. But yeah, I was a little disappointed when I cut, or when I unmolded this and I chopped off a little bit. Oh, it's not too bad. You can definitely see. I think partly it's because I couldn't do a full gel that I normally do. The peaches are cute. Like I said, my gradients, you can't tell. I can tell where there's some slight differences, but basically, I think it works. I just wish this was darker, more matching the peach, but it's still cute, right? I love it. The peach is, it smells really good. Oh, I love peach. Love, 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 love peach. Yeah, and these aren't all straight layers, but I knew that when I was pouring this, so. Not 100% what I was going for, but no one will know except for me, and it still definitely looks really cute. So I'll take it. I just love the peach slice. I mean, come on, how cute is that? That one's a little darker. Yeah, it's just from the edge. I bet you it's because it didn't really do a full gel like I normally did. Normally I insulate the whole thing, but because of this top, I obviously couldn't cover the top. So only around the sides got insulated, and it just didn't heat up quite enough, I think, to make the colors pop like I wanted them to. That's okay. Again, still super cute.